In today's video, we'll explore the top electronic drum sets on the market, designed to meet the needs of beginners and professional drummers alike. From features that mimic the feel of acoustic kits to advanced connectivity for recording and live performances, these drum sets offer versatility and innovation. We'll break down the key aspects, including sound quality, build, and user experience, providing you with the insights needed to make an informed choice. Stay tuned as we dive into the best options available to elevate your drumming experience. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Alesis Turbo Mesh. Kickstart your drumming passion without breaking the bank. The Alesis Turbo Mesh could be the best budget electronic drum set you've been searching for. This set delivers amazing value, offering a full-size e-drum kit at a price that's hard to beat. Featuring 4 mesh head drum pads with adjustable tension, it provides a realistic feel for your stick work. Just over $300, it doesn't come with dual trigger pads or chokeable cymbals, but what it offers still impresses. At just 10 kits and 120 sounds, you might think the turbo drum module falls short. But thanks to Alesis's articulation technology, you'll find a lot of body and character in the sounds offered. Covering various genres like hip-hop, rock, jazz, metal, and percussion, it offers diversity for different playing styles. Practice becomes fun with a built-in drum coach issuing rhythmic exercises and 30 play-along tracks. An audio input allows you to easily plug in music or video to follow along. USB MIDI lets you play software instruments from your computer, expanding your options. You'll love the 40 free lessons from Melodics, a fantastic gamified tutorial software. Plus, enjoy a 30-day trial to Melodics Premium, usable on both laptops and mobile devices. The absence of dual trigger pads or chokeable cymbals. However, this compromise keeps the price unbeatable, making it great for beginners on a budget. Number 4. Yamaha DTX6 Electronic Drum Set. You want a drum set that hits all the right notes? The Yamaha DTX6 Electronic Drum Set delivers. With 40 new preset kits and over 400 new voices, it's packed with a variety that keeps your playing fresh. The TCS heads on all pads offer a natural feel and rebound, giving you the versatility and expression you crave. Each hit feels responsive, making it ideal for both practice and performance. The new KP90 kick tower, with its 7.5-inch pad, is wide enough for a double bass pedal, enhancing playability. A robust HS650A hi-hat stand provides stability, something professional drummers will appreciate. The XP80 snare adds to the experience with its open and closed rim playability, enabling more nuanced rhythms. 3 knobs, ambience, comp, effect, let you modify kits effortlessly, making it so easy to create your own sound. Imagine tweaking your settings to get that perfect studio quality sound thanks to faithful reproduction of real studio ambience. It's a drum set that doesn't just play, it lets you sculpt your sound. On the downside, switching between the many kits can be a bit cumbersome. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to get used to. The overall quality and feel, however, make this a minor inconvenience. Yamaha DTX6 stands out as the best non-mesh drum set. Still searching for the perfect electronic drum set? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Alesis Strata Prime. Get ready to be wowed by the Alesis Strata Prime. Packed with features, this flagship e-kit pushes boundaries in every way. Right off the bat, the standout touchscreen module comes loaded with the full version of BFD3 and a whopping 45 GB of sounds. It's like connecting your kit to a high-powered laptop. This device outshines competitors with its extra processing power and storage, offering an array of multi-velocity layered and multi-mic'd samples recorded in top-notch studios. Playing on this kit feels incredibly authentic. Each dynamic nuance is captured effortlessly. From snare to bass drum, the mesh pads offer a realistic acoustic experience. Larger tom and snare pads add to this, setting it apart from other e-kits. Customization is another major perk. You can tweak kits and individual sounds with EQ and compression, or use the impressive stacks feature to layer sounds. The hardware doesn't disappoint either. The 20-inch by 14-inch bass drum and sturdy, stylish setup make it a dream to play. Although the red swirl finish may not be everyone's cup of tea, we find it striking. And while Bluetooth audio isn't available yet, it's promised soon. Fiddly cross-stick functionality could be smoother, but it's a minor drawback in an otherwise stellar package. Perfect for practice or professional use, the Alesis Strata Prime is indeed future-proof and reasonably priced. Number 2. Yamaha DD75 Portable Digital Drums. Experience the beat with the Yamaha DD75 Portable Digital Drums. This impressive kit is packed with features and performance, making it a standout in the portable electronic drum set category. Boasting 8 touch-sensitive pads and 2 foot pedals, the Yamaha DD75 gives you the feel of a professional drum set. It doesn't just stop at playing. With 570 drum voices and 75 preset kits, you're in for endless creativity. The 30 phrase voices and 105 preset songs offer a rich and varied experience for all skill levels. What makes the DD75 even sweeter is its aux line input. You can connect any music device, from an MP3 player to a computer, and jam along with your favorite tunes. The internal speakers deliver clear, robust sound, enhancing your drumming sessions. MIDI connectivity opens up even more possibilities. Hook it up to external tone modules, sequencers, or portable devices to expand your musical arsenal. It's a feature usually reserved for higher-end models, making the DD75 an even bigger bargain. One minor downside is the plastic pedals. They're not as sturdy as higher-end options, but they still do the job for most drummers. Adjusting to their feel takes a bit of practice. However, considering the price and everything else included, this is a small trade-off. The Yamaha DD75 Portable Digital Drums offers superb value. Packed with features, you'll find endless opportunities to create and enjoy music with this set. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Roland TD-1DMK. Ready to dive into the world of electronic drumming? The Roland V-Drums TD-1DMK might be your perfect match. With its simple TD-1 sound module, this kit makes it easy to get started, offering top-tier electronic drum sounds and tunable mesh headpads that feel like the real deal. The 15 preset drum kits are impressive, covering everything from acoustic rock to electronic dance beats. You'll appreciate the built-in practice tools, including 15 songs and a metronome to jam along to. Additionally, 10 coach functions help you perfect your timing and stick velocity control. All 3 cymbal pads come with dual triggers, giving you different sounds from the bow and edge. They even swing like real cymbals, adding an authentic touch. No kick pedal comes with the kit, but the kick drum pad's generous size is ready for a double kick pedal if you have one. Plugging into the 8-inch AUX input lets you play to your favorite tracks. The inclusion of melodics for V-Drum's software via USB port is a fantastic bonus, offering gamified practice sessions with detailed performance feedback. While the simple controls keep the price around $550, they also limit some advanced features found in pricier models. However, this setup still offers a tantalizing taste of Roland's premium sound quality, making it a great value and best electronic drum set overall. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best electronic drum sets. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which electronic drum set you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.